This is Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming workshop on Seekers of Extended Youth. This is for all those who want to slow down the aging process, restore their vitality, be a bit younger and more vital and have more energy. So in this workshop, we're going to deal with all the things which cause aging, apart from the fact that, of course, everybody ages to some degree. There are many things which speed up the aging process. There are things traditionally known as the causes of death, and also within the Chinese medicine, there's what you call the three ghosts, the nine worms. There are things basically which consume your vital energy all the time. We'll have a powerful healing where you remove these things. You have empowerment to the Mahamrityunjaya mantra, the death-conquering mantra, which cuts all the cords. Aging process is slowed down. We'll talk about other methods that you can carry on practicing to actually revitalize yourself. There'll be more healing involved in this workshop, but basically you're going to slow down your aging process, revitalize yourself, and become much healthier. So anybody who doesn't want to age so fast and wants to reach their full potential, come to this workshop, you'll get great benefit.